Welcome back. Now, because this area is made primarily for coding, you may see quite a few things that you may not be familiar with if you are not directly tied to computer code. For example, if we click the Run button, you're going to notice here that before Claude wants to run the model, it wants us to fill in example values. And of course, your interaction may be different when you begin to run things here inside of the Workbench when you're testing out your prompts. One alternative is to take a screenshot of the page and then to go to Claude and ask Claude to explain what it is that you need to do. In iterating with Claude based on this element, Claude suggests different language for the prompt. So what we can do is we can copy what Claude stated and we can head back to our Workbench. And so we have now added Claude's suggestions and we can now click Run. And we can await and test the prompt that Claude has given us. And it's at this point that you'll be able to determine if the prompt is generating the kind of information that you want. And if so, what you can do is you can make changes to the prompt until it is giving you what you want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.